Good evening, friends. As predicted yesterday, Nifty moved up very sharply. It consolidated in the morning around 16 140 200 levels and then sharply moved up to almost 16,400 levels and then settled around 16,350 levels. Though FIs are continuously selling, but they have positions in futures and options. That is why they keep the market up. That is my feeling. The second thing we should keep in our mind is that tomorrow being the weekly F&O closure, markets are going to react accordingly. In the morning, the markets may open in the positive, and then in the later stages, markets may reverse because it's Thursday, because they have to close their F&O positions. Also, the second important thing we should note is that tomorrow being the counting day of 5 states, the results of these states are going to be very crucial for the markets. If the ruling party wins in majority of the states, it's going to be very positive for the markets, and if it is the other way, then probably it will be negative for the markets. So sit tight on your positions. By 11 10:30 11, I think it is better you either close all your positions or hold with strict stop loss. So now coming to the Nifty. So Nifty closed around 16,345 levels. So the support is around 16,203 and then 16,133. And on the higher side, it can go up to 16,478 and then 16,593. These are all technical figures, but again, uh, it all depends on the results of the 5 states. Though it's a weekly closure, probably the ups and downs will be definitely there, but the results, I mean the trends of the results and the final results of these 5 states are going to make a lot of difference in the market behavior in the coming days. So we'll see how it happens tomorrow. So we'll just move to Bank Nifty now. So bank index, as I had stated earlier, it was comparatively weak compared to Nifty. Initially, it was almost in the negative side, and then in the later stages, it also picked up very sharply and then moved up along with the markets, and then it closed higher on this around 33,815 levels. So here also the same logic applies. The weekly closure and then the results of 5 states. So support for this is around 33,543 and 33,263, and the resistance levels are 34,094 and then 34,721. Though the charts indicate that there is positiveness, but again the other two external factors are going to be very important, that is the elections and the weekly closure. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. So I'll just discuss about two stocks which have given breakouts today. One is Indian Hotels. So in Indian Hotels, you can see that there is a trend reversal which has happened today. So the volumes have increased considerably and it has moved above the trend line, indicating that there is some positiveness in the stock. So it can go up to 216 and then 226 levels. and the other parameters are also positive, indicating that there is a reversal. It is also oversold. So probably this may cross 220 or so. So one can take a 220 call in this. So the next stock is India Bulls Housing Finance. So this has also made a trend reversal at the lower side. The volumes have considerably increased compared to the previous day. It almost looks like a morning star. So let us see how it works out. The volumes have increased. The previous day it was a neutral candle. The other previous day it was a black candle. So this indicates a morning star technically, but let us see how it goes through. It should test around 170 levels, and then on the higher side it can go up to 182 in the coming days. So one can take 160 or 170 call in this and then give a try. But anyway, tomorrow being a very sensitive day, whatever trade you take, you have to be very careful. So have a good trading day tomorrow. Thank you.